This flamingo has quickly become the funniest pet in the house. Feed him, watch the neck wiggle, and wait for his potty song. He even poops into his little toilet. It's so much fun to play with, and it's easy to reset for more play. Cleaning hacks. Testing how well this fire portable spot cleaner works. First up, my favorite rub. I drizzled ketchup on it, wiped it, and smeared it, then spritzed the stain with the fluid. I scrubbed and watched it all suck up into the machine, no mess. Rug approved. Next up, my white velvet chairs. I was a little nervous at first, but after scrubbing, success. Easy to use, great find from Walmart. Relaxing just got a whole lot easier with this 2-in-1 foot massager. I love that it doubles as a sleek ottoman when I'm not using it. Whether I'm working or unwinding, it fits right under my desk or couch, and the heated massage is the perfect way to melt away tension. Plus, it's easy to control with the app, no bending down needed. Cooking and storing breakfast has never been easier. First, I'm cooking some sausage. While those cook, I make some waffles and chop up fresh fruit using this prep set. It has all the tools I need from knives to utensils, making meal prep easy. Once it's all ready, I pack everything neatly into these storage containers. The small containers are perfect for keeping syrup and fresh fruit separate, while the airtight lids keep everything fresh and secure. Whether I'm prepping meals in advance or packing breakfast for the day, this set makes sure everything stays in place and easy to store. Simple fixes for things in your home that bother you. First, stop tripping over the corner of your rug or letting it migrate across the room. These cheap little rug buddies will adhere to your carpet and grab the floor. They're strong holds and won't leave damage. Second, if your couch is starting to flatten and sag, insert these folding boards for extra cushion support. It's the boost they need to be fluffy again.
If you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're done with your ex, the only ex I want is extra money. No extra stress, no extra worry. If you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're done with your ex, the only ex I want is extra money. No extra stress, no extra worries.
When I walked in the club, everything changed when I walked in the club. He was looking at me like, wow, you're on my body, I drip and I drown. So he says, I heard you're a singer.
Who knew doing laundry on the go could be this easy? This mini washing machine is a game changer for travel, baby clothes, or small loads at home. It's lightweight, cordless, and powerful enough to clean delicate fabrics without taking up any space. Just fill it up, start the cycle, and in minutes my laundry is fresh and clean. Whether I'm camping or just need a quick wash, this mini machine is always ready to help.